Hello, my dear sweeties. Hey, show your smiling faces. Smile. Oh, how sweet you are. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ സ്മൈൽ കാണാനല്ലേ ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഓടിയെത്തിയത്. Yeah, my dears. Very good. How cute. Okay, please stand up. Yes. Show your hands like this. Like this. Then smile. Wow. Then say, I can smile. I can smile. Yeah. I can smile. I can smile. I can smile. I can smile. My dears, very good. Can you clap like this? Twice. Yeah. Huh. Oh, very good. Then sing. I can clap. I can clap. I can clap. I can clap. Wow, good. My dears, you can dance. Yes, you can use any dance steps. Then sing. I can dance. I can dance. I can dance. I can dance. Very good. Can you sing the song? Yes? Okay, my dears, sing it with me. Okay, we can sing the song with the music. Are you ready? Yeah, music. I can smile. I can smile. I can smile. I can smile. I can clap. I can clap. I can clap. I can clap. I can dance. I can dance. I can dance. I can dance. I can sing. I can sing. I can sing. I can sing. Hey, my dears, can you add more lines to the song? Yes, you can. My dear sweeties, add more lines to the song and sing it. Okay. Hey, some of your friends are waiting here. Look at the screen.
Hi, I am Rohini. I can play Chanda. Hi, I am Ramanan. I can play Itakya. Hi friends, I am Aaron Vinu. I can jump. I am Sultan. I can smile. I am Sujit. I can throw forward.
Hey, കൂട്ടുകാരെ കണ്ടോ? എല്ലാവരും ഒരുപോലെയാണോ? No, they are different. Then അവരുടെ കഴിവ് കണ്ടോ? Yeah, excellent. Let's congratulate them. Very good, my dears. Okay, what about you? Yeah, you are a special one. എന്തൊക്കെ കഴിവുകളാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ളത്? Yes? Can you prepare a video like this? Yes, my dears? Yeah, you can. Then send it to your teacher. Okay? Yes. Now, my dears, tell me, can you fly? Can you fly like a bird? No, we can't. We can't fly like a bird, but we can do actions like this. Am I right? Yes. My dears, we learned about birds. Yes, we did project. Okay, now tell me, in flying kites, we learned about a bird. What is its name? Yes, kitty. Kitty. Kitty can fly. What about you? You can't. Am I right? Okay. Now look here. Hey! Who is this? A bird with big eyes. Who is this? Yes, the first letter is O. Owl. This is an owl. Wow! Beautiful. Now look. Hey, how many owls? 2. Father owl and mother owl. Owl family. Then what about babies? Do you want to see them? Okay, wait. Ting, ting, ting. Look. How many owls? Baby owls? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 baby owls. How cute. Wow. Then what do we call baby owl? Owlet. Yeah. 3 baby owls. Owlets. Yes. My dear sweeties. Look here. What is this? A big tree. Wow. A big tree with branches. Then what is this? A hole. A big hole. Yeah, this is the nest of the owl family. Okay, we can fix the owl family here. Okay, my dears? Yes, let's fix them. Look here. We can fix father, mother and baby owls. Yeah. Father and mother, then baby owls, they are in the nest. Yes, we can fix them like that. Yes. Baby owls, owlets. How many owlets? 1, 2, 3. The owl family. My dears, an owl family lived on a big tree. Yes, father, mother and 3 baby owls. The baby owls were very young. They couldn't fly. They couldn't fly. Why? Yeah, look. They are very small babies. So, they can't fly. Okay. ഈ സ്റ്റോറിയുടെ ബാക്കി അറിയണ്ടേ? അറിയണോ? Yes. My dear sweeties, open your textbook. Yes, Unit 6. Read the title. Read it. The first flight. Yeah, the story is there in your textbook. Okay, my dear sweeties, look at this picture. What do you see there? The sun or the moon? The moon. Okay, when do we see the moon? At night or day? Yeah, at night. Okay, it became dark. The moon was bright in the sky. Father owl and mother owl woke up. രാത്രി നമ്മൾ ഉറങ്ങുമല്ലേ? owls എങ്ങനാ? അവർ രാത്രിയാ ഉണരുന്നേ. So they got ready to go out in search of food. Then what happened? Let's see. My dear sweeties, you have to read the text. Can you read the text?
Hi teacher, I am ready. I can read.
Yay, Swara is ready to read. Okay, my dear sweeties, read it with Swara. Okay?
Children, get ready. The moon has come up. Today is our first day out. Father owl said to the babies. 2 baby owls flapped their wings and rose up. But the third one sat still. Rowley, what happened, my dear? Come, let's fly out with father, Mother said. Mother, I can't see anything. It's dark, Rowley, the owlet said. Rowley, we're owls. We can see at night. Come on, just try, dear, Mother said. But Mother, I can't even see you clearly. I can only hear your voice, Rowley sobbed. Don't cry, my little one. You will be okay. Stay here. I will bring you food. Saying this, Mother Owl flew away. Rowley was alone. Slowly, Rowley slipped into a sound sleep.
Excellent reading, Swara. My dears, this is your friend, Swara from Palakkad. Let's congratulate her. Yeah, try to read like this. Okay? Do you read? Yes? Then tell me, what did the father owl say? What did the father owl say? Father owl said, "Children, get ready. Children, get ready." Yeah, father owl. Read it. Father owl. What did father owl say? Read it, my dears. Children, get ready. The moon has come up. Today is our first day out. Today is our first day out. Yeah, they are trying to go out. Today is their first day. Yes, the baby owls are going to fly. Then what happened? Yes, the 2 owlets flapped their wings and they rose up. They flapped their wings and rose up. Then what about the third one? The third one sat still. The third one sat still. Then the mother owl asked. What did the mother owl ask? Read and find out. Yeah, read it. Okay, can you read? Yeah. What did mother owl ask? Rowley, what happened, my dear? Come, let's fly out with father. Hey, look here. What is this? Rowley. Rowley? Yeah, the third one's name. Rowley, the owlet. Wow. Do you like this name? Then call Rowley. 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 Yeah, the mother owl asked, Rowley, what happened, my dear? What happened? Come, let's fly out. Come, let's fly out with father. Then what was the reply? Yeah, or Rowley said, Mother, I can't see. Mother, I can't see anything. Rowley said, Mother, I can't see anything. It is dark. Oh, my dears, what happened to our Rowley? She can't see anything. It is dark. Then Mother said, Rowley, we are owls. We are owls. We can see at night. Come on, just try, dear. What did Mother Owl say? Rowley, we are owls. We can see at night. Come on, dear, just try. Then what was the reply? Rowley replied, But Mother, I can't even see you clearly. Rowley replied, But Mother, I can't even see you clearly. I can only hear your voice. I can't see you, but I can hear your voice. Mother Owl consoled her. How? Yeah, Mother Owl said, we can fix the conversation here. Here. Okay. Yeah. Can you see? Yes. Okay, my dears, then try to read it. Mother Owl said, Don't cry, my little one. Don't cry. You will be okay. Stay here. I will bring you food. Don't cry, my little one. You will be okay. Stay here. I will bring you food. My dear sweeties, what happened to our Rowley? Yeah, Rowley can't see at night. Then, what did the mother say? Yeah, owlsനെ കുറിച്ച് mother owl എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? ഒരു പ്രത്യേകതയുണ്ട്. What is that? Find out from here. This one. Rowley, we are owls. We can see at night. Yes, owls can see at night. But what about Rowley? Rowley can't see. Rowley is very sad. Then what happened? Read and find out. My dears, what happened? Father owl, mother owl and two sisters, they flew away and our Rowley was alone there. Slowly, Rowley slipped into a sound sleep. My dear sweeties, hey, are you sad? Hey, don't be sad. Okay, my dears, let's draw Rowley. Are you ready? Open your notebook. Take your pencil. Come on, speed up. Okay, I will teach you to draw Rowley. Okay, easy draw. Are you ready? Come on, let's draw. Yeah, we can start from here. Start from here. Going down. Curve around. And going up like this. What is this? U. Okay, this is our Rowley's body. Now we can draw ears. Ears. Yes, going up like this. Ears. We can draw ears like this. Yeah, almost ready. Okay, now we can draw two big eyes like this. Yeah, two big eyes. One, like this way we can draw another one. Yeah, two big eyes. Then we can draw small circle inside the circle. Yeah, small one inside. Yeah, eyes are ready. Then beak, small beak like this. Now wings. Yay, two wings. Our Rowley is ready, my dears. Who is this? Rowley. Yeah. Write it. Ready? Okay, good. My dears, you can give color. Okay, like this way you can draw the owl family. Father owl, mother owl, then three owlets you can draw. Okay, ഒരാൾക്ക് പേരുണ്ട്. ബാക്കി രണ്ട് പേർക്ക്? Yeah, നിങ്ങൾ കൊടുക്കണം പേര്. Okay, you can give sweet names. നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് പോലെ നല്ല രസമുള്ള പേര് കൊടുക്കൂ. Yeah, അപ്പോൾ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ owl family വരയ്ക്കണം കേട്ടോ. Yes, my dears, do it. Hey, look here. A tree, then owls. Some words are here. Look, owl family is here. And can you read these words? This one, read it. Family. Okay, can you find out this word from your textbook? Can you find out? Okay, find out this word. Come on, speed up. Yeah, you got it. Then read the whole sentence. Read it. An owl family lived on a big tree. Oh, good, my dears. Okay, now what is this? Sobbed. Who sobbed? Yeah, our Rowley, the owlet, sobbed. Why? Rowley can't see at night. That's why she sobbed. Okay, find out this word. Come on, find out. Yeah, then read the sentence. I can only hear your voice. Rowley sobbed. Okay, my dears, like this way you can find out these words. Yeah, try to read it. This one, wings, and read this. Sleep. Okay, this one, night. Yeah, okay, this one at the top. Read it. Voice. Okay, this one, owlet. My dear sweeties, can you arrange a tree like this? Yes. Okay, you can arrange a tree like this. Then you can prepare your family tree. This is our owl's family. You can prepare your family tree. Yeah, you can paste photos of your parents, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, grandma. Yeah, like that. You can arrange. Then, my dears, arrange an English corner What is English corner? Maths corner നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തില്ലേ? Yeah, then what about or English? ഇംഗ്ലീഷിന് വേണ്ടേ ഒരു corner? Yes, my dears, arrange an English corner like this. Then you can make alphabet cards like this. Yes, like this. Okay. ഇതുപോലെ alphabet cards നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഉണ്ടാക്കി വെക്കണം. Okay. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. So, you can make alphabet cards like this and arrange an English corner. നമ്മൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ചെയ്തത്? Puppets, then alphabet scrapbook എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാം. Okay? Yes. Get ready. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണം. Okay, my dears, look here. Here are some letters in the picture. Identify them and write them in the boxes below. Can you find out letters? M, R. Okay, like this way you can find out and write letters in the boxes. Then make words using these letters. Fill in the puzzle. The following clues will help you towards right. I have a long tail. I am afraid of cats. My first letter is M. Who is that? Mouse. Very good. Then the second one. I have no legs and hands. I crawl. My first letter is W. My dears, find out and write. Okay, third one. I have 6 legs. I am a small creature. My last letter is T. Then the last one, downwards, 4. I can see at night. I am a bird. 3 letters. My dear sweeties, can you do it? Yes, you can. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് എന്തൊക്കെയാ ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത്? You have to do the activity, activity 1. Then you have to prepare an English corner. Okay, then what about our song? Add more lines to the song. Then read the story and perform the story. Okay, my dears. നമ്മുടെ റൗലിക്ക് എന്താ സംഭവിച്ചേ? അറിയണ്ടേ? Yes. See you in the next class. Till then, ta-ta.